considered for a Grammy nominations. We know say no founder is not a part of the Grammy board, so you have to call somebody where you know who is a member of the Grammy board and tell him, say, look here, vote for Spice so she can be nominated. I'll be a big guns in it, my love. I'll be a big top people in it, so you know, say, look Spice, and so I've less chance, but you don't know. We have created a lot of historic moments, so anything is possible. Just vote. Yeah, I just decide there. That's all you have to do. Big up to MKNE, Kim Possible Waterhouse, it go. Watch Occupant t-shirts. Big up the whole of the Jamaican people them. The real Jamaican them when I sell out and I forget where them come from. I like that shirt here bad. And I bought it a good while now. It's my second time wearing it, but I love it. So big up to MKNE collection, Kim Possible Waterhouse. You have to support who support you. I saw it go. And everybody know I have my business as well, but it's not about that. It's about support for support, because nobody now support we have to support ourselves. We have to support each other. So big up to Jamaica, big up Kim Possible, Afia Brandis. Make sure you go over MKNE collection and go support our same way. That's the thing there. You can't stop fix the ear now. You know what I fix. She did one brush out a little bit, man. Big up to BABYCHAM, you know, so we have the big song. Oh no. You don't know all the thing go. Make them know say you condensed milk. My something sweet like condensed milk. Me not tell a lie. BABYCHAM have a voice that when the man sing it come like I want to wait up myself. The man who don't listen to the man sit down on the rhythm. Peanut make gal but no sir. Talk truth. BABYCHAM voice is a different voice. Wanna listen to the song real good and proper? Wanna not listen to the song? Wanna have to listen to the song? Condensed milk. I see somehow now say condensed milk dear. Wanna use any milk you want in the competition. It's a milky Christmas. Just use any milk you want because it's a milky Christmas. Yeah, and that's it there. Somebody say me I listen to the song, you deserve the nomination, period. Right there, so yeah. Oh, it go. Yeah. So big up to BABYCHAM. You know, say him make me have the big fight over man song. So, I know just now, a long time, I'm a huge fan of BABYCHAM. His voice different. The man can perform. The man DJ different when him go for sit down and rhythm. I don't know, normal DJ something. I don't know, flanky artist. Watch the big man now. Right now. Damn Beckett. You don't know. We take a milky.
What go on?
It's a milky Christmas.
Milky Christmas. Milky. I know I should have some milk to come out with. I should have some milk to come out with.
Yes, I want that to the echo.
I'm drinking cider, my baby.
Okay. We can't let the girl them go on. It's a milky Christmas.
It's a milky Christmas. Very milky Christmas. So what go on?
Me there in a weak closet.
Where?
Me have a closet.
Oh my God.
Me have a closet for my wig alone. Never just give a look up props. The wig them want to fix up and stuff, but me have a closet for the wigs them alone. Me have a wig closet.
Hey yo, let me tell you this. Me have some picture of you with some wig where the world never see them picture yet.
Nobody show them. Try to show them. But just tell them a while ago say me I wear blue hair from synthetic days. I know them want to take it away from me. From me after each and look blue at the front right here, so from them say, time them go.
Me say with the long nail them so. Yo, the other day, 2 days ago Elijah say, he remember he used to walk him around in I'm prom. Every day in I'm prom, come play with him every single day. I'm gonna go through back the picture of them and me and show him. And he say, look how Spice look. No, she get shapy, basic.
Money! What's money that show up on Gracie? What's Gracie picks up our style?
What's Gracie Couture? Yo.
Here's what I love you.
No, not today. Not today, my G. It's a great look, you know what I mean? And every time I see it, it only make me know. You have sometimes when you meet people and you you make the wrong decision. I have sometimes where you meet people and you know you make the right decision. You know what I mean? Even them
Which
time
is
that
right.
when we meet and you say, with
Make
your
a lot of
England and
wrong.
we meet and you tell, yeah, you know what I mean? A whole heap of wrong decision we make, you know what I mean? But
A
you're one
lot.
of the right decision them. You're one of the right decision them, you know what I mean? One of the right one
Like,
them where it's all right. This is from our relationship has stemmed from when? 2003, 2004. I think it was Vitamin's tour in England, you know what I mean? And me didn't know, the world don't know. Me didn't know. Like me know from then. Said, nah man, even you tell me say, John, me feel like me not gonna do no more music or whatever. I say, mad. I'm gonna do no music. Like you have artists that was on that tour were established and never mash up the place every night like you. And you never have a record out. That I did my problem, you know, when me a reason with you know. And me I tell her, say, no, you can't do this, you can't just come to the show. Why you not a record? And you say the producer didn't want a record, you know what I mean? And the right decision, pretty. Believe me, it was the right decision. And you have to just go and do the thing. Go and do the thing, just a start, you know what I mean? Just a start.
definitely
Now
not
that you're
start.
free up. Now that you're free up and you can fly. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but all the people them know say years and it's been a long time coming. Cause them time they when we meet you and nothing and go on, hungry days. Them not really understand. This is some people see spice no and them try to fight it and them not really understand. So this is not an overnight something, you know. This is a different
Yo, in a
hard
little
struggle.
apartment. This
You
is from
understand?
Portmore. When we are come from the block
Yeah.
of Portmore, you say, me need to
Remember?
move. Me need
Yeah,
to
cocoa
move.
soup
And
at
I say, I
here.
want you to move.
Yeah.
Me I say, move there.
Yeah.
From you move, things are going to fly. No worry about nothing. Whatever is there, it's going to work. And you move, go there, a little apartment right up the road, that's so off. And when you up there, say them again, man, close to man apart, that's
10%.
so.
Kensington
Yeah.
percent. Kensington percent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
I'm
right.
about me look
All right.
up bed, put in an apartment and fix up my place.
Yeah, the little bed. I'll fix it up. When we come in there, be a cologne. be a perfume
Neat.
line up. That's how we
My
do
apartment
about
is
this.
neat. But my
Neat.
apartment
Well
is
neat.
neat. I look up place is
All
neat.
right. All
Yeah.
right.
I will look up
Always neat, pretty.
looking.
Yeah, and the little
But we
blue
just
wig
want,
always in there too.
yes, that is the boss. But we just want to say big up yourself because I years. I remember a long time I want to do a song with you. I'm finally get it now and the song hot. So let's talk about it.
All right. So first of all, a lot of people are kind of say, I want to come up with that vibe, yeah. Why just now, me and you know music go. And not today, me stand up in a studio when you record. Stand up right beside you. Right beside you, comfort you, guide you, whatever it is at the time. Both of we are guide each other. When we're on tour, you me come tell you, say this me are weird, you tell me, say no, put this with that, whatever it is. And not today we are brother and sister. But our music go sometimes it have a right, and you know, force things. You know what I mean? You know, force music. When it right. And I think Condensed Milk right. Right now, it right. You know what I mean? And everybody I feel it, ladies them I feel it. Yo, I've seen some Condensed Milk challenge videos where you have people that do tongue game with the condensed milk. This are different level. Me say a little you. Yo, may I tell you, you have some people say them can't wine, so a tongue game them a play with the condensed milk. So it a go get serious. Me say a little kid say right now Spice, he never reach out to shop. Him say Spice, me know I like people something this, but me I beg your piece of money.
Bread, me like when Cham condensed milk and bread can only for that me used to eat.
Alright, like so that if anybody from the Caribbean or from Garrison knows a condensed milk and bread, not normal. Yeah, so that little youth that deserves something. That little youth that deserves something, man. Even the video, I want to give enough credit and enough shout out, even on the video set. It amazed me. You have guide me on the video set. Wait, no, I'm not even talking about what you do. Wait, man. I'm not even talking about twerk and I go out with this. I talk about guide me on the set. Remember, say, one of my biggest records and one of the biggest records ever out of our genre, Get a Story. You are one of the person them where me directly tell the director, say, more beside Alicia. You know what I mean? More people see you. So if we come back around now with me, I up on a video set and you tell me, say, Beckett, you can't more you act more relaxed. That's so the girl them will see you and love you more. It's like they say, watch me little pretty just grow. Look at that, you know what I mean? For you I give her advice for that video said, yeah, which we did love that. But apart from that,
that me don't want to cut you, but it just go for show you how the universe work. Because remember when me a come in the music, me don't know nothing, and you are show me the rope, and you are carry me, and you are teach
full
me.
circle.
And no,
Full circle.
you don't know nothing about social media. Me have to say, I want to Beckett, I want to do this. You understand? It just got to show you know how
Full
the
circle.
universe work.
That
When
the
you put out
universe
love,
work, you know what I
get
mean?
back love.
Love
And
come
just
back.
that's what
Love
that
come
teach
back.
me.
But apart from that, the big body something there, not a milk that be.
Wine.
You don't know, you have some,
But
no,
wine
you have some
right
people that say
through.
a camera trick. Some people that say a
No,
camera trick
you're
and the body
crazy.
not stay. So listen,
Camera trick
listen,
where? You're crazy.
listen. Peanut make hot Guinness bubble up. You said it go bubble up and you see the body go some blush and drop in our milk.
What kind of camera trick? Camera trick where?
Yo!
No camera trick. You're crazy.
I'm a stunt double. Are you a bubble?
No,
I'm a stunt double. That's Spice bubble. It's not a stunt double. Yeah. Yo, so the competition is there. We need the fans them to make sure they're supporting the record, make sure y'all streaming, make sure y'all buying, make sure y'all watching the video. The video is out, the visual is very crazy, very sick. Everybody will see me so far, tell me say them love the visual, you know what I mean? And we want to big up the director, Bling Blanc. She did a great job, she and her team. We want to big up the label, the record label that the song is on is Lawless Productions. And this is Lawless Productions, which is my label first record, you know what I mean? And for it to be my first record with you, it's special, you know what I mean? Special.
I'm like spice on it. There's something how you deliver it, just make me want wine. There's something where they spice Beckett when you
know over for this, you know. Big stock pop out, you goddamn me face, you know. You with the kitty meanwhile we are kissing, you know. Roll on me boots coming, run no risk, you know. Talk to me dirty, me love freakiness, you know. Bang! But wait, all right, you like that? Me love where you go feel up, make. Yeah, no man, it's a joy, and it's a pleasure. So the fan base out there, Spice fans, BABYCHAM fans, the competition is on. $5,000 is on the table. Whatever you got to do with that milk, you get that Christmas milky, and let us have a milky Christmas. Can you hear me?
And it's
good.
5,000 US and a 5,000 Jamaican. 5,000 US.
5,000 US. You know, when Spice is involved, this is not normal. We're talking about Gracie. Gracie does nothing normal, so $5,000. And that me I tell you, $5,000 US. Big USD.
And
good?
You have to come on
good.
And let me say, when you don't say condensed milk, dear, milk. Just use milk and make it their milk.
Any milk. You don't have to be condensed milk. Any milk, as long as it's a white Christmas. Yeah, as long as it's a white Christmas, we're good. It's milky.
White like my teeth brush.
Yeah.
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 I know say them wait till last minute for upload the video them, but I can't wait to see the creativity behind the milky Christmas.
Yeah, it's supposed to nice. It's supposed to really nice. I'm gonna want enough love. And I love you always. They can spread all the rumors they want to spread. You're my baby. No, if no buts, no maybe. Good?
I am a father right. Yeah.
Yeah.